This delicious apple cake I used to bake all the time at my game cafe when I had it, and it didn't last the morning because it's absolutely delicious. And you're going to cook it in your air fryer, which I didn't have the time. Yes, in your air fryer. Take 4 apples and core them and peel them and then score them, but without slicing them completely. They have to be acidic apple, as acidic as you possibly can, because when they bake, they're going to really come out all that sweetness and that gorgeousness. Take your cake tin and coat it in a thin layer of butter, and yes, I did wash my hands, and then put 130 grams of butter at room temperature. Add 3 eggs to your food processor, and then add some sugar. 150 grams should do. Don't add any more because then it would be too much. Take some liquor, like 30 grams of almond liquor or brandy, just to give it a little bit of moisture, and then 200 grams of all full-purpose flour. A sachet of chemical yeast, and just a pinch of salt. Not a lot. It really doesn't need any more. And then just blend the whole thing together for a few seconds until you have this gorgeous texture. It's a very thick paste, so don't worry about it. Spread it all over your tin as best as you can. Again, you don't need to be too fastidious about this. Just extend it so it covers the whole surface of your pan. Put the apples, the cores, as many as you can fit in. A 20 or 24 centimeters tin will do nicely. And then put it in your air fryer for about 30 minutes, 180 degrees. This is going to depend on your machine. You're going to have to put your knife in it and do it until it comes out clean and looking as beautiful as this. Leave it to cool before you take the tin out. And I'm leaving this at normal speed instead of speeding it up, because I want you to see how easily it comes out from the bottom. It really doesn't get stuck at all. And that to me is just fantastic. It makes life so much easier. And once you have that, if you want to, you can sprinkle it with a little bit of cinnamon if you like. In this case, I'm doing some icing sugar. And you end up with this gorgeousness in about an hour that everyone will absolutely love. I mean, it's moist, it's delicious, it's so easy to do, it's possibly one of the best apple cakes that you can possibly want to cook.